Oh my goodness. Oh my god. It's Sunday. It's Sunday morning. I am completely behind my usual schedule. I'm gonna sneeze. Or not, because I just said I'm gonna do it. Anyways, Sundays and Mondays are my kind of sit down, take a step back, plan, finish unfinished projects, do some editing and stuff like that. And that is what we will be doing today, possibly tomorrow, depending on how long today is. But I have a few unfinished projects from this week and a little bit last week that I want to get done before I start on new projects next week. So first thing I would want to do is finally finish my seashells. So my shells, my beautiful shells, the fronts are finished. I've already sealed them in. Might do another layer of the Mod Podge, but I want to finish the insides. The layers I've already done have kind of not really stuck. So I want to do one more layer of the white, see if I can cover that up and kind of fix it. I was going for like a pearly white, and instead I got these colors. And then I need to seal the inside of these and they will be done. Next project is finishing my little rock magnets. So if you don't already know, I probably haven't shown the video yet, but pretty much made these last summer, still in Alberta. They were supposed to be like Halloween holiday magnets that I never actually finished. So I decided to make them pretty. And now I just need to finish doing the black outlines and designs on like these ones. But what's really funny is the gold paint is apparently very heavy. So I need to add new magnets because these ones don't work anymore. Then I have my book covers. Those ones are fun. Then I have all of my book covers. So there's this one I still need to finish. I haven't even done the back of the cover yet, or the like inside, whatever. I finished all my sketchbook covers, so that video should be coming out soon. But then I still have this book. This is one I got from Value Village, and it's like a box. So I still need to finish painting inside of it, but I haven't even finished the cover. And the cover, I'm actually doing studies for it because I want to do like Paris. But I'm going to play around with the layout of everything first. So I have a few different spots and I'm debating doing the back of it as well. So that should be interesting. And then I have my paintings that I've been working on. And then I have these two paintings I started a couple days ago. That one I just need to do the mountains. So I'll probably do a layer of mountains, let it dry, another, and yeah. But I still have this one that I pretty much just did a base, but I still need to do at least a layout, like an outline or something, because it's actually gonna be trees and like a waterfall. So yeah. I did do this one the other day, which I'm pretty proud of, but I'm still not done the video for that yet. And then my bedroom makeover, which I'm not going to show in this video because I already have like an entire video that I'm doing for it. Started this makeover like 4 months ago, never finished it, and I finally want to get it done because of course, why not do it now when I'm like 4 weeks away from moving out? So I want to finish that this weekend, hopefully. I'm still waiting for a few things to come in for my room. But for the most part, I just want to get what I can done and just make it so it's a nice living space, because right now it looks so unfinished. And those are all of my projects for today / maybe tomorrow. It's only been a couple of like seconds for you, but it's been like 4 hours for me. Worked on my bedroom makeover, did an entire art room makeover, finished my shelves, did a painting, but I still need to finish the like edges. Have not touched anything else, and I'm not sure I'm going to be able to because I have so many videos that I need to edit now. So I'm going to do a couple of hours of editing. I'm going to have some food because it's like 3 and I haven't had anything to actually eat. And then I will hopefully be able to finish those things and just kind of have a chill painting night. Lucy. Good morning. It's now Monday. Oh my god. I slept in. Again. It's fine. It was only till 7. It's fine. But I want to spend the morning trying to get these videos edited because I filmed the same video a couple of times. The first time I refilmed it was because I actually lost the original. The second time I refilmed it was because I forgot I had already filmed the second one. And I want to go through and I just want to double check them all and maybe edit them, maybe put them together. Not sure yet. I think one of them I'm supposed to add a clip that I took from my iPad. So I need to figure those out. And then I have a couple more videos on my phone, including one with my friend. And I need to edit it to include her intro. So I don't know why this is funny. I'm just really tired. I don't know. And my chair is so squeaky. Also, I've been filming so much that I had to remove a couple of apps from my phone. Meaning when I just went to go and open one of those apps, because I still get notifications for stuff, I can't actually open it. So now I have to go on Instagram on my computer. Yeah, that's fun. And I love how it took me so long to even realize why it wasn't opening. The caffeine has not hit yet. August 8th. What the hell? Oh my god. Okay, it's August 8th. It's another Monday. Holy crap. How did that happen? I am still doing stuff that I started last week. I need to finish the shit up because I have a whole freaking list of stuff I'm supposed to be doing right now that I have not done. Oh my god. Okay, I'm officially multitasking. I will be editing as I finish the couple of projects I still have left. I still have to paint. I have a whole freaking like painting that I have to finish. No, actually I have like two. I have two paintings I'm supposed to be finished. Oh my god. A little bit freaking out right now. I have like a million projects that I was supposed to have done that I do not have done. Holy shit. Oh my god. Okay. Work mode.